Hello everyone, welcome to English classes with Atadeepa, and you are watching Writing Skills for Class 12 CBSE. In the previous lecture 3.1 we had done types of advertisements in which we had dealt with classified advertisements, and in classified advertisements, as you can see the list here, we have already discussed situation vacant, situation wanted, lost and found, sale and purchase, accommodation wanted, educational, matrimonial, to let, for sale, tours and travels, and missing person. This is the entire list of classified advertisements. What you need to do, please review, please go back to this lecture 3.1 and understand how all these advertisements are made. In this video today we are going to read how commercial advertisements are made. So I'll tell you how to design commercial advertisements, which are also known as display advertisements. So let's begin. Commercial advertisements are inserted by leading manufacturers, establishments, organizations, and they are made for the publicity and promotion of their products, services, or some events. So what are commercial advertisements made for? Commercial advertisements are made for the publicity of the product that any production company is making, or to promote any sort of services that you have started, or to publicize the events that are going to be organized. So commercial advertisements are made in this regard. What is the purpose of commercial advertisement? Commercial advertisement is made to attract immediate attention of the people, right? When commercial advertisement, that is why commercial advertisement needs to be catchy. It needs to be very impressive, because the moment a person sees the commercial advertisement, a person gets attracted. So if it is not attracted and it is not attractive in nature, the people will not get attracted towards it, and it will fail the purpose of promotion. Now, second thing, the commercial advertisement is also known as the potent tool of promoting sales and services. So it is a potent tool for promoting sales and services. Like whatever you want to promote, this commercial advertisement becomes the potent tool, and it is a very important tool to promote. Third thing is, it also influences the minds of people and changes the taste and even the motives of the masses. So these are also very important. So if you see any sort of hoarding, if you see any sort of product, so your viewpoint related to that product also changes if the advertisement is made in such a way that it has the capacity to change the minds of the people. That is why the design of the commercial advertisement should be such that it impacts the minds of the readers or viewers. And this is why we are going to follow certain characteristics which are going to make your advertisement very attractive, impressive, and influensive. Then main characteristics that you have to keep in mind while designing commercial advertisement is design is very important. So how do you design? It needs to be visually attractive. Okay, so how can you make it visually attractive? By using different varying font sizes and shapes. Okay, by also adding few pictures, catchy slogans, punchlines, witty expressions, and sketches. So all these things also you can add there, so that your advertisement becomes visually attractive. Now remember one thing, that commercial advertisements are different with that of classified advertisements. Why? Because classified advertisements were consuming very small space in the classified column. They are meant for certain columns. But commercial advertisements are large in size, they are covering more space, and they are expensive as well. Wherein classified advertisements are very cheap, because each word is charged. So that is why they are very short. They are consuming very less space. That is why they are cheap. But commercial advertisements, they are meant for certain purposes, so they are carrying a big space, right? So they consume more space in the newspapers and televisions. So you must have seen in the newspapers, like advertisement of cars, advertisement of toothpaste, advertisements related to the computers, laptops, then certain electric appliances. So you can see different types of advertisements related to all these things, all these products. And when you see, and especially moreover, like educational type commercial advertisements are also there, wherein any coaching institution is making it public, propagating the the kind of courses they are running in their institution. So that also creates a lot of space. This consumes a lot of space in the newspaper. So these all are the things which come under the category of commercial advertisements. Now, whenever this topic comes commercial advertisement, please go back to your visuals which you have seen in the newspapers and the television, and the moment you will go to them, you will definitely realize that how all these advertisements are made. Okay. Then essential details: when you are designing any commercial advertisement, you need to keep in mind what all things you have to add in there. So number one, the company's name or institution organizer's name has to be written in the advertisement. Then details regarding product are to be addressed there. So whatever product you are talking about, that product details should be given. In case event, so event details should be given. In case educational courses, so educational courses details should be given in detail. And then special offers of discount, or in case in all these product, event and educational courses, let's say any offer or any discount is going on, so if it is applicable, so you have to mention that also, because this is going to increase the sale of your work. Then second thing, address of the company, institute and organizers. Then address the company, institute, organizers. So wherever this company or institute or organization is located or situated, you have to give that address also. So please give that at the end, which completes your advertisement. And do not forget to enclose this entire advertisement in a box, because box is mandatory. So here I have given a sample one for this commercial advertisement. I have not made it, it is internet made. So you can see here, but this is a layout that how you can create any commercial advertisement. This is related to a product. So Oral-B, this is a product. So they have given this small picture of this Oral-B toothpaste, and then what all things this Oral-B does. So what it does, they are enlisted here: cavities, gingivitis, plaque, sensitivity, enamel, tartar, whitening and breath. So all these things are checked due to because of this Oral-B. So this Oral-B works to check all these things. Then they have also added here a few punchlines like benefit from the breakthrough. This is the kind of line that they have created here. Then search Oral-B Pro help to see the proof. So they have also given the the ways how can you check that how Oral-B helps to maintain your health. And here in detail they have given about things about Oral-B, that how Oral-B works, what are the things associated to this product. So all these things are associated here. You don't have to write all this detail, but yes, these you can see here a change, that this font size is big, this is small, this is smaller, then this font size is different. The creativity they have done here, it has been given in a smart chart, so you can also utilize this type of thing. Then they have also created another type of smart chart here, in which they have written that stabilized stannous and fluoride, so how this works. And then this product, this is very nicely drawn here, and at the end they have given the address of this company. So this is how you can create. So it is colorful, there's not so many pictures, just one picture of that product, very simple in one color only, and different font sizes. So this is how you can also create your own advertisement. If you want to practice, you can take this only, this Oral-B, and then by using this product you can create your own advertisement also. Then second advertisement also I have given here, that is Squeaky Clean Services. So this is small, just as per your interest. So this is Squeaky Clean Services. This is a small bottle of this cleanup, right? So this is a small bottle. It's not difficult to draw. Those who do not know how to draw, so they can also draw this with the small practice. So such kind of things you can draw here. It's not really colorful, only two colors are used here. You can just make use of your black or blue pen in examination, and you can create this picture. You can change the font sizes, and these font sizes, when you are changing, they are automatically changing the look of your advertisement. So remember that you have to use different font sizes. You have to create a picture also. You can also create a logo of any of the organization or organizers, event or product that you are going to create, and also talk about how important this product is, what will be the benefits of this product, and how can you buy this product, what are the modes and mediums, and then if there is any discount, if there is any offer of it. and at the end, if you want to get more information about this product, you can log on to this. So this is for more info contact. So they have given this, you know, online address and phone number as well. So this is how you also have to give contact details, not your contact details, but yes, the organizer's contact details, so that it can be if there is any query, that can be addressed here. Okay, so this is sample 2. So you can see this, pause here, see this, understand, pause here, see this and understand, and then you can create your own advertisements based on these 2 topics. Or you can take any other topic, any product, random product you can take, and you can create your own advertisement, which will help you in polishing your skills of creating advertisements, right? So now further points to remember. This is very important. Marking scheme, always remember, it is of 4 mark because it is advertisement short composition. Word limit is 50 words, and then format 1 mark carries format carries 1 mark, content carries 2 marks, and expression carries 1 mark. So expression also includes accuracy and coherence, so half a mark each is given to it. Then please don't forget to make a box, which children generally do. So don't do this, please make a box, and keep in mind always that every short composition, advertisement, be it notice, be it poster, everywhere you have to draw a box. And remember my 5 C's. This is a, you know, this is a very important technique that should always run in your mind when you are creating any composition. So that is clarity, completeness, conciseness, correctness, and coherence. This I have already explained in the previous lecture, so please go to that and refer. Please like, share and subscribe if you have understood my video. If you have liked it, please subscribe it if you have not yet done, and share it with more and more friends of yours. So till then, stay safe, have a nice day. Thank you.